Alright, nothing real exciting going on today, but we are going to replace this headlight. I think the high beams work, but the low beams do not, or vice versa. You can see it's blown out, and it's probably not going to be long before the other one goes out, or pretty sure high beam works, and so it won't be long before high beam goes out. There's probably a crack in it, maybe. Let's see, this should pop out. Be careful with it. There. And it looks like to get the actual headlight out, we've got to probably undo the adjustment screws, which don't look very good. They're pretty rusty, but we'll see. Oh man, that's not looking good. And that one's not wanting to. I can't tell if they thread into plastic or what. The mount, it looks plastic to me, and they look like they want to break out. So is there another way around this? I am not seeing a way around this. It clips in here. I'm trying to see what holds this metal. Stainless ring is what holds the bulb in. This bucket, headlight bucket, there's a tab here. What holds it? There's a spring down here. What holds that in? Just this spring. It's just the spring. Maybe I can unhook the spring. I'm trying to. There's two adjustment screws here, but they screw into a plastic mount. The spring's undone. All right. Look at that. I think we found ourselves another way in. Save those plastic mounts because they would have broken out. No way they would have held up. I'll show y'all. One of them was already cracked. So you've got, let me get you some light. You can see, no you can't. I'm trying to get y'all where you can see. Well, you can't see in there, but there's two plastic mounts in there that hold that bucket on. You can see kind of up there. And then on this one, the problem is I'm trying to get a light in here and it blocks y'all seeing. You can see that other mount right there. Those are plastic mounts that are riveted in, and that one's already cracked, so that was not going to go well. So we got a new bulb, and this is a Sylvania. Yeah, it was 6024, and that's what we're gonna replace this with. And they are still pretty readily available. be real careful with this plug. Yeah, this one, since it's up here, I assume it's got a crack, but I don't see one. Normally when they get like that, they've got a crack somewhere, but I guess this one just blew out. It's a Wagner. We bought a Sylvania. The other side's a Wagner. This one does not say halogen on it, I don't think. This Wagner, it was a 6014, so this was not a halogen bulb. The other side is a halogen Wagner, and we're putting in a halogen Sylvania. And nothing on this truck would be complete without a mud dauber nest, because they are everywhere on this truck. So got that one out. And we're just going to plug this new light in. Yeah, not the most exciting things, but one thing I am doing on this right now is just all these little things like this, lights and stuff like that, that you know, affect the drivability of it. So we're going to put this ring back around here. We will hook it, and hopefully we can catch that spring. And that light goes in a little slot. And let's see if we can get this spring. Look at that. That went well, and we kept our headlight adjustment. Whether it was right to begin with, I have no idea, but that was pretty easy. It doesn't look right to me. It looks going this way. But I'm not going to mess with it because I can't adjust these. There's no way to adjust them without breaking those out. And before I go breaking them, I want to make sure I can get them. I'm going to adapt some other way, but we're not doing that today. This thing is not wanting to pop back in here. Why is it? What is holding it off? Oh. Well, oh, it just sets up against it. So now we'll have two good headlights. There we go. It looks better, and you can't really, by looking, unless you look close, you can't really tell the difference between the Sylvania and the Wagner. They mostly look the same, but Wagner halogen and Sylvania halogen. And like I said, this one was a Wagner, and it's just a sealed beam light. And the way I know it's not a halogen is it's a 6014 part number. 6014 is not a halogen, 6024 is. Just, I guess, a FYI there. So that's what that is. So simple job, but it needed to be done. Looks better already instead of this cloudy thing. Quick and easy. See y'all in the next one. Subscribe to see more. And definitely will be more interesting videos of this thing coming up than just a headlight replacement.